Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back with my BEK Hobonichi kit and my Hobonichi. So this is a Hobonichi Weeks Mega. And some people call it the wallet. It all works for me. So anyways, I am genuinely loving this. I really, really do. It has been a blessing. I'm excited. I have a big cover coming still for it. And I have a cousins at the post office right now. I'm just trying to get them to answer the phone. So I've been calling and calling, but clearly they're very busy today and it is very cold. So I have been outside opening Amazon, and I think my fingers are completely frozen at this point. It is just so stinking cold. Wow. So anyways, literally as the rain falls, it is freezing on the trees, and we don't have stuff like that here. So having lived through that, we don't have stuff like that here. So we are experiencing something very different. I think what I'm going to do is do something different this week. So hang with me, guys. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this one down and then put the other one over, and that way I get a double layer of color. So I hope you guys are staying warm. I hope you guys are safe. There have been just terrible accidents. I need to run to the post office, and I was literally praying when they weren't answering the phone again. If you don't want me on the road, Lord, then just shut it down. And I think he doesn't want me on the road. I think he wants me to stay put. Oh, goodness, because it is brutal out there. And I have some anniversary gifts there. So, and then I've got just some other things like my Hobonichi monthly Hobonichi is there. So, and it's the cousins, and I'm excited to play with it. It's just the months. So all you get is the, months of the year, but I thought it would be fun. So anyways, all right, so I'm going to put that there, and now I'm going to line this up inside, and then I will trim it in just a minute. So, but when you pray and you ask God, if it's okay for me to go, please open the door. And they don't answer the phone. I think I might have gotten an answer, but we'll see. I'll try one more time. I decided I would eat some lunch. It's after 3 o'clock, almost 4. Well, no, it's 3 o'clock now. I take that back. And so I am, I think I did something there. Maybe I'll just take it off here. I think I'll take it off at the end. I think I did something wrong, but that's okay. Hey, we live, we learn, right? We live, we learn. So anyways, if you ask if it's not safe for me to go, don't let them answer the phone, and they don't answer. You're going to have to take that as, okay, it's not safe to go. Don't go. But I still wanted to go get my stuff done. Okay, I'm going to move this out of the pen holder so I can get to this portion better. And I think I'm going to double this. Okay. My husband's calling me, but I will call him right back because I am in the middle of this video. And hold on, I will send him a quick message.